how will the new coronavirus affect your plans to study abroad? After the shock of rapid spread of the COVID-19 outbreak, you may be worried that you will not be able to study abroad this year. You may be with full of doubts. Here is a reply about how the coronavirus is impacting the plans of future students. Here you can discover how are universities responding, how are online courses available, and there are some frequently asked questions by other students like you. To offer feedback or suggest additional questions, don't hesitate to contact us on social media like Facebook and LinkedIn. Proactive Overseas Consultants, Vijayawada. Although the situation does not look that great right now, we want to encourage you to keep your eyes on the prize and not give up on your education. You will just have to rethink your plans for the next few months. So here are 4 ways you can adapt to this crisis while also not giving up on your dream of studying abroad. Point number 1, stick to the original plan. Continue your application process. If you have decided to study this year, that means you have already started your application process. So yes, the pandemic comes at the worst possible time, but the academic year start of 2020 might not be lost just yet. Most university classes around the world usually start in September or October. While it is difficult to estimate for sure when the virus spread will peak and start declining, some estimations mention the period between May and November, at least in the UK. Achieving it is all up to us. If we stay at home and do our best to stop the virus from spreading until all of it is over, it's good. You know that some universities are actually still accepting online applications from students at this time. If the situation continues further than November, universities will adapt these changing conditions. Universities are just as affected by the situation as are students, and they will adjust the application and enrollment deadlines to fit the changes in the academic year schedule. While at the moment there is a lot of different information circulating in the media, make sure you stay informed about the spread of COVID-19 from official sources like the World Health Organization. So if you can, continue going through the steps of application process. Contacting universities for more information is also a good idea. Most universities have online application platforms, so you will not have to travel to the university to apply. If applications are postponed by the university, it is an excellent time to start researching visa information and work permit information if you plan to work while studying abroad. Some universities already have the late application dates in August, so you might want to keep an eye out for those too. Postpone your studies for the beginning of 2021. Okay, maybe you are not convinced that the situation will be solved that soon, and you should decide it's better to postpone your international studies for 2021. Or maybe you want to change your initial destination because it is one of the countries most affected by the virus. We understand, and we have still got you covered. Just because you are not starting this year does not mean you can't already start reaching your future study options and decide by January 2021 when the new applications start. Here is how we can help until you start applying. Check out our extensive list of English taught in international programs, bachelor's, master's, PhDs and more. Remember to use the filters to zoom in on the study programs that interest you. Figure out what you would like to study and in which country. You can start with our country test and our personality test. Read about your study options based on careers after graduation. Use our study abroad best fit tool to find the perfect program that fits your experience and goals. Get tons of extra information from our video presentations about diverse study options. After the quarantine ends, you can gather some professional experience by volunteering, getting a short-term job, or starting an internship. Universities allow a rich curriculum vitae. Prepare your language test and take it. IELTS, PTE, and TOEFL are the most popular and widely available English language tests. All universities have language requirements for their programs, and you can prove your English skills. Even if you postpone, you will still have the certificate valid for next year. The good news is you can take the PTE academic offer an alternative online test version. As for IELTS, it is suspended in most centers before August. You can also prepare or register for the GRE or GMAT tests, which are available online and can be taken from the comfort of your home. Make good use of your time studying at home by doing your research thoroughly, comparing your options and figuring out where you are going to apply next year. Point number 3, study an online degree. Many prospective international students are considering changing their study plans altogether, and they are looking at online study options offered by prestigious universities all over the world. Many universities have started offering more online bachelor's and online master's as a result of the outbreak. The option will likely not delay your study plans too much, as many online degrees have rolling admissions, meaning you can apply anytime. You will still have to meet the admission requirements necessary to apply. Classes can start at any time or once a few months. Just make sure you have the right system requirements on your PC or laptop. The only downside is that your online degree might take more years to complete compared to online campus options, depending on the course intensity. Online studies don't mean low quality education. Here are a few lists of top ranked universities offering online degrees. Point number 4, keep learning with the online short term courses. No matter which one of the previous options you are going to choose in the future, you should also not give up on your personal development right now. There is an abundance of online short-term courses to keep you learning and help you manage your time staying at home. Many of these short distance learning courses are also offered free of charge, and a lot of institutions provide support for people around the world. Here are just a few examples. Online courses from Harvard University, Coursera, Crash Course, Khan Academy, etc. Setting aside some time every day for an online course can help you better schedule your day and keep your motivation and mental health up. Don't forget to get creative. Other things you can learn that can be an asset for your future studies. Learn a new coding language. You will find almost all you need online. Learn a new language or brush up on one you already know. Read online articles and books about subjects you plan to study. Start a journal or a blog or write a script. Exercise your writing skills. Learn how to use a visual design tool like Photoshop or Illustrator. Learn how to play a musical instrument. Play online role play games like Dungeons or Dragons with your friends can help you develop your communication skills, acting, and overall creative thinking. Design a web page or learn how to do it. Whichever path you choose to follow, don't give up on your education dreams and never stop learning. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Wish you all success.